Okay, here I am, room 722 of the Hyatt downtown San Jose. So I just checked in, pretty nice room. I actually used Hyatt points to book this room. So I got it for free, quote. Let's see, did we get any makeup remover and body lotion? And we got some shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. All right. So there's a nice little luggage shelf there, some drawers, and this thing here, I just realized it's like a magnet. So maybe you could put something there. I'm not sure what. I wonder if it would demagnetize your room key if you stored it there. Anyway, good sized TV, and then here there's a mini fridge, and they have the little coffee maker and ice bucket down there. Got a desk, plenty of outlets and USB outlets. And then my room, I'm on the 7th floor, I think I said. So I'm looking out at the San Jose Convention Center right there. And then this is San Carlos Street. I think the light rail goes by right there in front of me. Over there, if you can see that purple building, that's the Children's Discovery Museum. Okay, and then king size bed. Looks nice. And look, there's this little seating area with a small divider. I think this folds out into a sofa bed, but I'll confirm that. Here's the hotel from the outside. There's the Center for Performing Arts right there on the corner, so close walk. And then the Hilton's across the street, and there's the convention center with the light rail station right in the center of the street there. So just on the next block from the Hyatt is the San Jose Civic Center, where there are concerts held. And then across the street here is the main entrance to the San Jose Convention Center.